Imagine a robot designed not to replace humans, but to help them. One that works alongside people, making tasks easier, safer, and more efficient. That's exactly what Co-bot is about. Created by a company called Proxie, this collaborative robot is built with a unique philosophy. While many other robotics companies focus on replacing humans, Proxie believes in a different future, one where robots and humans work hand in hand, enhancing each other's abilities.
Every day, we wake up and we move. You see them every day, although you may not notice them. The early morning crews, the weekend shifts, and the late night teams. Technology has transformed the world since I was first inspired by robots as a kid. But surprisingly, simple manual tasks still take so much of our time and energy. We're designing these robots to help us, not replace us, in every sector. Proxie moves and swerves naturally in sync with the people working around it. And as AI and hardware evolve together, so will the ways it can handle items in the world.
I'm here to help.
It allows us to focus on those things that make us uniquely human. Communicate, collaborate, and solve problems. A future that's even more alive with the help of robots.
The best way to understand the Co-bot is to see it in action. Proxie's official intro video perfectly captures how this incredible machine operates. From seamlessly navigating its environment to working side by side with humans, the Co-bot robot showcases what it means to be a true collaborative partner.
There are two large challenges today. One, the industrial robots can't be next to human. So you need to cage them, you need to create some specific zones for those. The other problem is that most robots today are one use case. When I met Brad, he kind of talked to me about the intention of what type of collaborative robots they're looking to create and how to enable those robots to support and help in our industry. We definitely like and prefer collaborative robots, and this is something that by the name of Co-bot, they are already answering that. The team is amazing to work with. Really, we're excited. And not only us, of course, it's the operation team, which is the most important guys for us. They are our internal stakeholders. Basically, after we kind of saw the prototype, liked it, the next step for us was really to find the right location to go and deploy that or test it. Definitely trying things in the real world is the key thing for us. I was recently visiting people that work with the robots, and they say, I'm working with robots, I'm not working in a manual fashion, pushing stuff. They come back much happier when they finish the day of work and not exhausted. They really enjoy to kind of now working with those type of tools. It's so exciting for them, you know. So definitely you have different elements that this can change the world for us. We're already talking to them to different use cases for the same robots. How can they start to pick goods from the shelves? How can they put stuff into the shelf? How can they lift things? That's going to be a very, very crucial element for us to bring us to the next level.
At the heart of the Co-bot robot lies its incredible intelligence. Proxie, the company behind this innovation, has designed their first robot to fully integrate advanced AI from the ground up. But what makes this so special? As both AI and hardware continue to evolve, so does Proxie's ability to interact with and handle objects in the real world. This means that Proxie doesn't just perform tasks, it adapts, learns, and grows smarter over time. Firstly, understand how the Co-bot robot operates. The Co-bot robot is engineered to work seamlessly alongside humans, enhancing productivity and safety across various industries. Let's delve into the key technologies that enable its exceptional performance. Number 1. Vision System. The Co-bot's Scout Sense Perception System captures the environment from a human eye level, allowing it to make decisions with awareness and precision. This egocentric perception is critical to creating robots that move harmoniously alongside people. Number 2. Autonomous Obstacle Avoidance. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms, Co-bot autonomously avoids obstacles, ensuring smooth navigation in dynamic environments. This capability allows it to operate safely and efficiently, even in complex settings. Number 3, visual object recognition. The cobot utilizes visual object recognition to accurately detect and identify items such as carts. This enables it to interact effectively with various objects, performing tasks like transporting materials with precision. Number 4, LiDAR-based world perception. By employing LiDAR technology, the cobot maps its surroundings in real time, creating detailed 3D representations of its environment. This allows for precise navigation and task execution, even in complex and changing spaces. Through the integration of these advanced technologies, the cobot robot exemplifies the future of human-robot collaboration, working alongside people to enhance efficiency and safety across various industries. And one of the standout features of the cobot robot is its ability to perform tasks using both arms simultaneously, known as bimanual manipulation. This capability allows cobot to handle complex tasks that require coordination and dexterity, much like a human would. Developed in collaboration with the University of Washington, Proxie has advanced the state-of-the-art in bimanual manipulation. By integrating cutting-edge AI and robotics research, the cobot can perform intricate, two-armed tasks with remarkable precision and adaptability. This means that the cobot isn't just limited to simple, repetitive actions. Its dual-arm functionality enables it to undertake more sophisticated operations, making it a versatile partner in various industries. Whether it's assembling components, handling delicate materials, or performing tasks that require a human-like touch, the cobot's bimanual manipulation capabilities set it apart as a truly collaborative robot. Thanks for watching! If you're as excited about the future of AI and robotics, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.